Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for headphones Beats Studio Buds Plus on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Market, then go to search, click on search, and you should write Beats, then search and install this application. Now click on Agree, scroll down, then Agree again, close it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!